Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel Scholarship World. This is your host Ajay Preeti here from Pakistan again. As in this video, we will talk about University of Pretoria, South Africa, fully funded scholarship by Commonwealth Organization for doctoral degree, PhD degrees. So another chance for students who wish to do the PhD in foreign countries. It's a very big scholarship, and it is being offered by University of Pretoria in South Africa. This is the official page of the University of Pretoria, South Africa. You can see here 2026 University of Pretoria Commonwealth Scholarship for Doctoral Studies. So we will talk about this scholarship in this video in detail. Everything will be discussed. So let's start now. The scholarship is open that you can apply now because it is open from 29th of July to 20th of September this year, and this is fully funded scholarship for PhD, and these are the faculties in which you can try to get admission. That these faculties will cover the PhD study if you get admission in one of these faculties: Faculty of Law, Faculty of Humanities, Faculty of Education, Faculty of Engineering, Built Environment and IT, Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Veterinary Science, Faculty of Economic and Management Sciences, Faculty of Natural and Agricultural Sciences, Faculty of Theology and Religion. So natural sciences and social sciences and also veterinary courses are also available here for PhD. Okay, so let's talk now some details of this Commonwealth Scholarship, a very generous grant. University of Pretoria Commonwealth Scholarship 2026 scholarship. It's this I've written 2 times this scholarship things, so I will remove this thing here. Okay, my mistake, sorry for that. Okay, so Commonwealth Scholarship 2026 in South Africa. So applications are open for the University of Pretoria Commonwealth Scholarship 2026. It is fully funded scholarship for the students from Commonwealth countries. So this is fully funded scholarship. A very handsome amount will be provided. It is a scholarship for doctoral degrees, so please keep this in mind. South African citizen cannot apply for this. This scholarship is available to students who wish to pursue a doctoral degree. Okay, so to be eligible for this scholarship, University of Pretoria Scholarship, Commonwealth Scholarship, an applicant must start their studies at the University of Pretoria in 2026. So in coming year, you must be intending to start your degree. The value of the scholarship is very good. Look, you can see 190,000 overall. This amount is provided in this scholarship. South African rand, this currency, 190,000. So everything will be included, which will be used towards accommodation, living expenses, medical and books. So there will be no fee for you, and this amount will also be contributed. And you can use this one for accommodation, living expenses, medical and work. Very good amount, very nice scholarship, because this is Commonwealth. So they could provide very nice and good things. Yes, they will provide the accommodation and books as well. This is very good. The University of Pretoria will also cover the return. So flight tickets are also included. Look, the flight tickets are also provided. That's a very excellent opportunity. And study visa cost. So another thing is study visa cost. So very few scholarships cover these things: return tickets and visa cost. So ticket will be provided from your country to the South Africa, and when you will finish, then from South Africa to your country. And visa costs are also provided for your South Africa study visa. That will also be sponsored for the applicants. So this is very good opportunity. So you can see South African flag here and University of Pretoria building here. Okay, so scholarship summary is like this one. This scholarship is by South Africa. I'm sorry, not this one. Is not China. This is Pretoria University in South Africa. So course level is PhD, and financial cover is fully funded. So eligibility nationals of Commonwealth countries. So I will provide at the end of this video the list of Commonwealth countries. Deadline is 20th of September 2025, so duration is 3 years. So these are the scholarship benefits which I have highlighted here, so that you can understand the authenticity and the power of this scholarship. Returns, flight tickets are provided, very good opportunity, accommodation and living cost, fees, medical insurance and aid. If you are sometimes sick, they will provide medicine as well. Both stationary shuttle service on arrival. When you reach in South Africa, university will provide a conveyance for you. That's called shuttle service on arrival. So that's also good. You will not have to pay anything when reaching university. Application fee is provided. Medical aid fees also of study visa cost is also provided. So this is very good. Eligibility criteria for this is open to resident of Commonwealth countries. So if you are national of Commonwealth country, you can apply for this scholarship. So list of Commonwealth countries I will provide. Plan to start the studying at the University of Pretoria in 2026. So this must be your plan. Must have submitted a separate application for admission to the University of Pretoria doctoral program for 2026. So you must have applied to this program. So you will have to apply for admission first, and you will have to attach that proof with the scholarship application that you have. You can take the print of that email that you have applied for the admission in the University of Pretoria, and then that you can attach for that with the scholarship application. So must secure some potential supervisor. So this is mandatory that you must have obtained as acceptance of a supervisor at University of Pretoria. That's necessary condition. So another thing is you will have to submit your documents to SAQA. This is a South African Qualification Authority. So that authority will evaluate your qualification. You can submit your soft copies. So I will provide the discussion of some link as well of this website, so then you can provide on that your documents in soft copies, and they will check the evaluation process. They will do that your everything is genuine and you are applicable. Okay, so completed your postgraduate or master degree within the past 2 years. This is another condition that you have done your equivalent to master degree qualification in last 2 years. So your degree is not more than 2 years old. You must there is an age limit that you must be under the age of 38 to apply for this scholarship. PhD and master students currently registered or who previously studied at University of Pretoria. So University of Pretoria alumni and the students who have already obtained degree from this university, they are not eligible for this scholarship. So these are the faculties which I have already discussed. Faculty of law. On to these faculties you can, under these faculties you can get your PhD. Faculty of law, faculty of humanities. So many departments are under this. You can visit the website and you can check your department there. Natural sciences and agricultural sciences also there. Veterinary sciences also there. So most of areas are covered. What are the required documents to apply for this scholarship? So you must have, the essential thing is you must have the acceptance from supervisor. An acceptance letter from the supervisor of University of Pretoria is needed, and outline of the intended research. So your research proposal, you can say, a research theme, you must discuss this thing with your supervisor. Your CV, less than 3 pages CV is allowed. Certificate of study leave if you are doing some, if you are a worker, you are an employee of some organization, so you will have to provide this proof of study leave, copy of your passport, academic transcripts of all the educational degrees, 2 reference letter from different professors who know the applicant very well. So deadline is 20th of December, 20th of September. So how to apply? So these are the steps which you have to follow to apply for this scholarship. You can go through easily. You can pause this video and you can go through these steps. Look, you will have to send all your complete application package, scholarship application form, and combined PDF of documents which are written here. So to this email address with the subject line. On the subject line you will write UP Commonwealth 2026. So you will have to submit a separate application for the admission to the so your application for the admission to University of Pretoria, that should be separate. And for the scholarships, you will have to take the print and take the soft copies. You can take a snapshot of all those and make a PDF, good PDF, and send all those documents. You can set the application form as well, which you have submitted to University of Pretoria admission, that also attachment as an attachment. You can take the soft copies of reference letters, English proficiency certificate, and educational certificates, CV, and your research proposal, acceptance letter of professor. So all these documents you can forward to this email address. It's not difficult to apply. Main thing is to get into competition, and then you will have a chance to get this Commonwealth big scholarship. So this is the official link of the university for this application of scholarship. A little bit more discussion I want to make about these things. Look, on this PDF, this I have obtained from the university website. University of Pretoria 2026 Commonwealth Scholarship Doctoral Studies. So you must also go through this PDF as well. It says here how you will get the documents. Look, this is the web address which you are looking for. SAQA. The applicants are required to have submitted their academic qualifications for evaluation to the South African Qualification Authority, SAQA. So you must have to submit on this website your documents, that these documents they qualify for this application process. So they will do an evaluation. They will do that your documents are genuine and these documents are okay. You can apply for this scholarship. So this PDF I will put the link in the description as well. What is the selection criteria? It is also discussed here, and application procedure is also discussed. It is written on here how you will make the documents look. This type of page, A4 page of the print you will use for the reference letter. So the useful information is on this in this PDF is given. So this is the value of the scholarship you can go through, and the useful information you can get before applying for it. It's very good scholarship. Look how much amounts they are giving. So this is a best chance for you to apply for it. Look, they are written here that the successful applicant will be sent an official award letter via email by the end of November 2025. But your classes will start in the next year. So I wish you all the best to get this scholarship and for your application. So thank you very much. Like this video if you think that this was useful for you. Also subscribe this channel. So application deadline is 20th of September 2025. Thank you very much. Bye bye.